माई सन इज नाउ 9 year old. तो वो मेरे पीछे नहीं घूमता, मुझे बैठकर आवाजें नहीं लगाता, बेड वेट नहीं करता, घर में सुसु नहीं करता, बट नाउ ही डज एवरीथिंग.
If you ever thought about getting a dog or already have gotten one and are quietly panicking, this episode is for you. My sister became first time pet parent to a beautiful poodle called Cookie, and I asked her all the questions which new pet parents are embarrassed to Google. Go for it. What was the one thing you wish someone would have told you before you got him?
That how much he pees. I know it's funny, but when we were buying him, or when we were talking to dog breeders, they said that oh, poodle is a very small dog. He will hardly do susu once a day, or like potty once a day, very little potty. So we were sorted that okay, ganda nahi hoga, and we can get a dog. But he is like flooding the whole house.
What's the biggest mistake you made in the first week, which, if you think now, you will cringe?
Letting him sleep on the bed.
Why?
Because he was crying first 2 days, and like everyone says, and we have seen a lot of people, their dogs sleep on the bed in AC and in all the comfort, and poodle being the whole thing about poodle. So we made him sleep on the bed. He was fine, very happy, but he started peeing on the bed. So he peed on the quilt, on the pillow. While we were sleeping, he was peeing on the bed because he was very small. So he couldn't, get down from the bed himself and go to do susu. So that was one mistake I think we did. We should have got his bed from day one, and he could have slept next to our bed. But that we did after 2 weeks finally, when you sent the bed to me. But that was the mistake which I think no one should do. You should find out before you get a dog.
Poodles are known to be very high maintenance. So, is that really true? And Cookie का daily routine कैसा होता है?
See, this is our first dog. So what is high maintenance, we don't know. So his daily routine for us is very simple from day one. He wakes up in the morning, like he wants to just do susu here and there, and then he wants food early, and like we give him fruits, or earlier we used to give him nibbles, but now we give him fruits or egg. Then he goes for a walk for like 10-20 minutes, and he's a lot of fun. He likes to talk with all big dogs, bark on them, jump on them. He doesn't look at his size. He sleeps in the afternoon, easy, very easy. He'll just keep on walking behind you. You will not even know he's there. And he doesn't need anything else. Like afternoon, he will have lunch, like chicken, quinoa, and then again in the evening he will go for a walk. He'll again enjoy his walk, and then dinner time he eats around 7:30, and very easy. He will sit with us on the bed. He'll watch TV with us, growl, play, jump on us, and then he'll go to sleep. So maintenance wise, I don't know what a high maintenance dog means, but yes, like we keep ourselves clean, our kids clean, we keep him clean. So I don't know what it actually means, like a high maintenance dog. So we have done this from day one for him. So it's easy for us.
पिछले 6 महीने में कभी भी ऐसा हुआ कि you felt, was it a mistake getting a dog, and what changed?
When he was 4 months old, we were going out of the town for the first time. We were going for winter holidays to Bali, and we didn't know what to do with him at that time, because like we didn't know where to send him, and who will keep him, because he was very small, and we didn't know if he will be happy with someone new, they can take care of him. And we had just got a dog because we wanted a dog initially. So yes, we didn't put so much thought to it. Like, you have a dog, तुम्हारे पास है तो पता था, you told us lot of things. I have seen dog in your house, but I उतना एनालाइज नहीं करा था. वी जस्ट वांटेड कि हमें एक पपी चाहिए था टू ऐड मोर हैप्पीनेस, तो हम ले आए थे. लेकिन जब हम एक्चुअली में जाने लगे तो हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि हम इसको कहाँ छोड़ेंगे, कैसे करेंगे, ये एडजस्ट कर पाएगा. वो लोग जैसे हम इसको रख रहे हैं वैसे रख पाएंगे नहीं रख पाएंगे। तो उस टाइम पे मुझे और वरुण को ही लगा था कि मे बी हमने शायद गलती कर दी, या हम रुक जाते बाद में ले आते। बट देन नो टाइम इज अ गुड टाइम, बिकॉज आप यू विल नॉट स्टॉप गोइंग आउट एनीवेयर, आप कभी भी जा सकते हो। सो दैट वाज वन टाइम व्हेन वी थॉट दैट कि शायद गलती कर दी थी।
तो फिर कैसे मैनेज किया?
देयर आर डॉग हॉस्टल्स, we've heard, जैसे यू डू दिस इन बॉम्बे, एंड लाइक लोग फ्रेंड्स के घर पे छोड़ देते हैं, ऐसे करते हैं। बट I didn't want to send him to dog hostel because I had heard not very good stories of dog hostels, and so I'd seen lot of videos also on Instagram. तो इसीलिए हमने वरुण के कज़न के घर पे छोड़ा। एंड फर्स्ट 2-3 मतलब फर्स्ट डे हमें बहुत फील हो रहा था कि मतलब क्या करें, वी वर कंफ्यूज्ड ऑल्सो, एंड इन अ वे आई वाज लिटिल रिलीव्ड ऑल्सो कि घर में ही है, बिकॉज ही वाज इन कज़न्स होम। बट it worked out well. He lived there happily. He was happy with them, so it was okay instead of a dog hostel.
What does it actually cost to keep Cookie? Food, vet, grooming, everything.
मैं ही बताती हूँ, जब हमने कुकी को लिया था तब बिकॉज इतनी हमें नॉलेज नहीं थी, मैंने तुम्हारे घर में देखा है कि हाउ मच यू स्पेंड ऑन योर डॉग्स टू टेक केयर ऑफ देम एंड ऑल दैट। बट जब हमने डॉग ब्रीडर से बात करी थी तो उसने हमें कहा था 1500 रुपये बस, और कुछ नहीं करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा सा खाना खाएगा, दैट्स इट। सो वी वर लाइक चलो इजी है, सॉर्टेड है सब कुछ। तो बट इट्स नॉट वेरी एक्सपेंसिव ऑल्सो, आई वुड से this kind of money you spend on movies or one time you go for dinner, right? It's like few medications from outside when you if he is not well, and like monthly bath outside, a spa or a hygiene cut, and some vet vibes. That's it, I think, or maybe some treats
And proper food.
and proper food. That like food wise we don't count it as a extra expense because it's just part of house. Like you get vegetables, so we give him lot of vegetables, fiber, and chicken, which he's liking till now, so which is part of home. And he's a very small puppy, he's not eating so much, so like I will not count the food of my child, so it's that kind of food which he's eating, very easy. But as apart from that, medication wise and little hygiene wise, it's an expense of maybe 3,000-4,000 a month, but that's it, not like a very high maintenance
But
cost.
if you're not prepared for, if you cannot keep a dog properly, managing the hygiene, food, regular walks, if you don't have time, because if you don't have time, who will walk the dog? Then you need a dog walker. So then that expense will also be there. So these are expenses. So people should be, what I would advise people is that people should be prepared and educate themselves.
It's have a child if you're prepared to have a child, and so it's like have a member in your family or live with someone if you're prepared to be with that person. It's same with the plant also. So if you cannot take care of the plant, don't get the plant. You will need time to water the plant, right? Put it in sunlight, not light, all of that things you will do. So with dogs also it's easy. Like I go for a walk in the morning, I take him, and that's my time. I take him in the evening. I don't prefer that my help takes him out, because I like to go with him. He does all the silly things. So that's a good time, which I will otherwise also do for myself. Food, he's just part of family. How much is he eating? So it's like a family member. So, and cleanliness wise, I have a 9-year-old kid. तो जैसे दिन भर मैं उसको बोलती हूँ कि हाथ धो, क्लीन रखो, पैर धो, साफ कपड़े पहनो, गंदी जगह पे मत बैठो, इट्स द सेम विद द डॉग ऑल्सो। तो द होल हाइप अबाउट दिस कि एकदम वैसा होना चाहिए इज नॉट लाइक दैट। इट्स वेरी इजी टू कीप अ डॉग
prepared.
You have to be prepared, like you will be prepared to live with anyone else.
What is the most dramatic thing what Cookie has done which stressed you then but now makes you laugh?
He did this very funny thing. इसने मधुमक्खी खा ली थी, तो कहीं से मधुमक्खी आ गई घर के अंदर और नीचे घूम रही थी, इसने लपक के खा ली, बट इस मधुमक्खी तो इसने तुरंत बाहर फेंक दी, लेकिन उसने उसके जीभ पे डंक छोड़ दिया। तो 3 घंटे तक तो ये ऐसे से अपना सर ऐसे ऐसे करता रहा, पूरे 3 घंटे। उसके बाद देन वी गॉट वरीड, क्योंकि वो कुछ खा नहीं रहा था, देन वी सॉ, फिर आई टोल्ड माई हस्बैंड, मैंने वरुण को बोला कि इसने ऐसे कर दिया है। तो हमने इसका मुंह खोल के कोशिश, वी कुड सी कि उसकी डंग है वहां पे, हमने कोशिश करके हम निकाले, बट एट द सेम टाइम उसको हर्ट भी कर रहा था। फिर 3 घंटे के बाद हम थोड़ा वरी हो गए कि यार ये कुछ हो गया है। पहले तो हमें फन लग रहा था, फिर देन आई चेकड ऑन इंटरनेट, बिकॉज हमें भी इतनी नॉलेज नहीं थी। फिर पता चला दैट इट कैन रियली क्रिएट एलर्जी, इट कैन बी पॉइजनस फॉर हिम। सो वी रश टू द हॉस्पिटल। इनिशियली वो हमारे लिए फनी था, बट बाद में इट बिकेम स्ट्रेसफुल कि इसको कुछ भी हो सकता था। बट अभी मैं सोचती हूँ तो हम हंसते हैं कि पागल है, कुछ भी खा लेता है, मक्खी वक्खी, ही विल ईट एनीथिंग, बिकॉज दे आर वेरी क्यूरियस डॉग्स. Another incident which he did was, there is a dog in my society, another poodle, that's a 3-year-old poodle. That poodle is very fond of him. He is also fond. They both want to play together. But one day he went to play with him. That dog was not giving him any bhav. कुकी ने उसके मुंह पे सुसु कर दिया. And then he walked away. So these are things. Now the dog parent doesn't talk to us.
Okay. Obviously, you
Obviously.
peed on the child's face. How has having Cookie changed you as a person, even in small ways?
First thing, I have become more kind towards my own son. Because when I see Cookie, he is so loving, so loving. मतलब वो उसको हम गुस्सा भी कर देते हैं, घर में अकेले भी छोड़ के जैसे चले जाते हैं, तो कुछ उल्टा पुल्टा खा लेता है. Then also he has the same expression. He has this look in his eyes. So it just makes me feel ki, at the end he's a dog, right? He's not a human. So I just feel this, that, he's living with us without his parents. So in a way, it has made me more kind towards my own child. I've become a little bit more considerate of lot of things that he does. And I've stopped rushing in the morning. Earlier, I used to just get up and rush from the bed कि खाना बनाना है, वीर का टिफिन बनाना है, ऑफिस जाना है. बट अभी he wakes me up, he will sleep on, like he knows my time when I have to get up. फिर ये मेरे ऊपर आके सो जाता है और वहीं पे लेटा रहता है बहुत प्यार से. Then he will slowly start licking me. उसके बाद मैं उठती हूँ. तो वो वाला time now, that rush has gone down. And like in the evening I go down with him, morning I go with him. फिर जब घर आओ, he is waiting for you. So all those things have changed. I think I have become little bit more compassionate than with my kind of work. I was not.
If you had to give one piece of advice to somebody who is getting a dog for the first time, what would it be?
Prepare yourself, educate yourself, talk to veterinarians, nutritionists, what all is needed. Talk to your friends, other people in your family if they have dogs, like how much time they will need.
And prepare everybody in the family also.
Prepare everybody in the family, how much money it will need. So, because all this will add, yes, not to the kind of number which mostly Instagram says, but you need to educate yourself and be ready, because it would be a emotional change for you, your family, and for the dog as well.
If you are a first time pet parent or are planning to become one, drop a comment below. What were you most nervous about before you got the pet? And if you like real and honest conversations about pet life and animal care, this channel is for you. Subscribe. We drop a new episode every week. See you again next time, Cookie. Happy watching Tales of Tales with Manisha.